As the sun rises over a serene city park, we see individuals of all ages and walks of life, each engaged in their own cardio exercises. From an elderly man power walking with his dog to a young woman cycling down a winding trail, they all share a common goal: better health. Welcome to Health Pathfinders, where we guide you on your journey to better health. Every step, every stride, every beat of your heart is a testament to your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of cardio fitness, a fundamental pillar of wellness that has the power to transform lives. So, lace up your trainers, grab your water bottle, and join us as we explore the profound impact of cardio fitness. Ever wonder how your daily jog or bike ride impacts your health in the long run? Well, recent research from the University of South Australia provides some compelling answers. The study, published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, reveals that increasing your cardiorespiratory fitness by just one metabolic equivalent can lower your risk of death by 11 to 17% and reduce your chances of heart disease by 18%. Imagine that, a simple increase in your fitness routine can have such a profound impact on your health. Now that we know how beneficial cardio fitness can be, the next question is, how do we make the most out of it? To answer this, we bring you an exclusive interview with a seasoned fitness expert who will not only delve into the benefits of cardio fitness but also provide practical tips on how to incorporate it into your daily life. Let's hear from our fitness expert on how to make the most of your cardio workouts. Now, to give us a deeper understanding of the study's findings, we have with us Dr. Jane Doe, a renowned fitness expert. Dr. Doe, can you share with us some insights on this matter? Dr. Doe: absolutely, this study highlights the significant role of cardio fitness in maintaining our overall health. Regular aerobic exercise not only strengthens our heart and lungs, but also improves circulation and lowers blood pressure. It's a fantastic way to boost mood, reduce stress, and increase energy levels. So whether you're a seasoned athlete or just a beginner, incorporating cardio into your routine can have substantial health benefits. Now, let's delve deeper into the science behind cardio fitness with our health expert. We're fortunate to have with us Dr. Mark Smith, a leading authority on exercise physiology. Dr. Smith, could you explain how cardio fitness helps in reducing the risk of diseases? Dr. Smith: certainly. Cardio fitness, or aerobic fitness, refers to the ability of our heart, lungs, and organs to consume, transport, and utilize oxygen during prolonged periods of physical activity. Regular cardio workouts allow your body to become more efficient at this process, resulting in improved heart health. This efficiency helps lower the risk of heart diseases, high blood pressure, and even certain types of cancer. Additionally, cardio fitness can also help control blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. So, beyond just improving physical fitness, cardio workouts also contribute significantly to disease prevention. Thank you, Dr. Smith, for that enlightening explanation. It's clear that the benefits of cardio fitness extend beyond just burning calories and improving physical appearance. It's a vital tool in our fight against various diseases. Thank you, Dr. Doe, for those insightful remarks. It's clear that cardio fitness goes beyond just burning calories. It's about enhancing our overall quality of life. In fact, another study published in the Washington Post suggests that strength training is equally important for health and longevity. This shift in perspective led to the inclusion of strength training in the 2010 Global Recommendations on Physical Activity for Health, highlighting its importance for longevity and overall health. Moreover, a CNN study shows that meeting the recommended guidelines for aerobic and muscle strengthening activity can reduce the risk of death from influenza and pneumonia by 48%. So the benefits of regular exercise extend beyond just physical fitness and play a crucial role in protecting against respiratory illnesses. Now, you may be wondering, what's the best cardio exercise? Well, according to USA Today, different forms of cardio burn varying amounts of calories, with running being the most effective. However, the key is to find an exercise routine that is enjoyable and sustainable. So, lace up those sneakers and remember, even small amounts of physical activity have significant health benefits. Hear from real people who have transformed their health through cardio fitness. Meet Sarah, a 47-year-old mother of two who went from struggling to climb a flight of stairs to running her first marathon last year. And then we have Tom, a 30-year-old software engineer who has seen a significant reduction in his stress levels since he began cycling to work every day. These are just two of the countless inspiring stories of people who have experienced the power of cardio fitness firsthand. Let their journey inspire you to kickstart or continue your own cardio fitness journey. Remember, every step counts. In conclusion, the evidence is clear. Cardio fitness is a powerful tool for reducing the risk of death and disease. So, whether you're cycling, running, or hitting the gym, remember that each step you take is a step towards better health. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. Don't forget to subscribe to HealthPath Finders for more expert insights, practical tips, and empowering content. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy. Before we dive into the real-life testimonials, let's explore the diverse locations where you can kickstart your cardio fitness journey. From serene parks and bustling city streets to tranquil beachfronts and challenging mountain trails, the world is your workout playground. If you're more of an indoor person, don't fret. Modern gyms offer state-of-the-art equipment and classes that cater to all fitness levels. Whether you prefer the fresh air of the great outdoors or the motivating atmosphere of a gym, there's a perfect workout spot waiting for you. Discovering your ideal environment can make your cardio workouts more enjoyable and sustainable. So, where will your cardio fitness journey take you? Stay tuned for real-life testimonials from individuals who've transformed their lives through cardio fitness. And remember, no matter where you choose to train, every step, cycle, or swim is a step towards better health. Now, let's hear from some individuals who have experienced significant improvements in their health thanks to regular cardio exercise. First, we have John, a 45-year-old man who was able to improve his heart health drastically with regular cycling. Next, there's Mary, a busy working mom who found that regular jogging helped her reduce stress and maintain a calm demeanor. Lastly, we have Sam, a college student who noticed a significant increase in his energy levels and concentration after incorporating cardio workouts into his daily routine. These are just a few examples of how cardio fitness can transform your life. Stay tuned for more insights on health and fitness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy. As we've seen, cardio fitness has a profound impact on our lives. From improving heart health, reducing stress, to increasing energy levels, the benefits are numerous. And the beauty of it is that you can start anywhere: a serene forest trail, a vibrant gym, or even a swimming pool. The important thing is to get moving. Now it's your turn to embark on your cardio fitness journey. Remember, every step counts, every heartbeat matters. Take the first step today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to HealthPath Finders for more informative content on health and wellness. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy. Now, let's take a journey through some inspiring locations where you can kickstart your cardio fitness. Picture yourself jogging along a tranquil forest trail, the fresh air filling your lungs, heart pumping. Or imagine stepping onto the vibrant floor of a gym where the energy is palpable and the beat of the music pushes you to go that extra mile. And don't forget the serene allure of a swimming pool, where every stroke takes you closer to your fitness goals. Regardless of where you choose to exercise, remember it's not about the location, it's about the movement. In conclusion, cardio fitness is not just a lifestyle, but a powerful tool for reducing the risk of death and disease. We've explored its impact, heard from experts, dived into the importance of strength training, and looked at some of the best exercises you can do. We've also heard real-life testimonials and discovered inspiring locations to kickstart your fitness journey. It's clear that the power of cardio fitness is immense. But remember, the first step towards better health is always the hardest. So go out there, start moving, and make a positive change in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to HealthPath Finders for more informative content on health and wellness. Until next time, stay active and stay healthy.